The support emails were pouring in, way faster than I could possibly manage to keep up. And it just didn't seem to stop. I desperately needed to come up with a solution. Fast. Let's start from the beginning. Twitter had just introduced their new API prices, and we had sent out an announcement explaining that our products would discontinue the integration. Within a few hours, our live chats were on fire. And not in a good way. We had a lot of angry users, and a lot of understanding users, but with a ton of questions. At this time, I had 3 people on chat support trying their best to keep up with the constant flow of new messages. It was excruciating. 3 weeks in, and the first of my support agents resigned. It was just too much. Then the second one resigned within another week or so. So it was just me and one other support agent now, and the messages just kept pouring in. I tried my best to create articles that would explain some of the questions that kept recurring, but it didn't help. See, as long as there's a live chat icon on your website, users will use it. And if they have to wait more than 5 minutes for a reply, it's a bad experience. And there was no way we could keep a response time that low. My last support guy kept going, like a soldier. But it was pointless. And the 1-star ratings kept coming in, one after the other. This just wasn't fair. So I took the hard decision and I let him go. At this point, I was desperate. That ding sound from our chat software was starting to give me trauma. I could literally hear it in my sleep. Little did I know that what was about to happen was gonna be far more agonizing. I was desperate. So I did the thing. I removed the live chat from our app and website. Then it got quiet. Like, dead quiet. It was almost unsettling. For a moment though, this felt fantastic, like a ton of weight was taken off my shoulders. But obviously, I knew that the problem didn't go away from just removing live chat. And looking at my Stripe dashboard the next day confirmed my fear. Users were churning, faster than I had ever seen before. And now support emails were pouring in, way faster than I could possibly manage to keep up. I desperately needed to come up with a solution. Should I hire new support staff? How long would it take to onboard them? Would this just create more problems and more overhead? I was paralyzed. It was truly one of these moments where I just closed my eyes and wished that the problem would magically go away. But then I got an idea. One of our features is a chatbot that helps write content for social media. Like ChatGPT, but specifically trained for content. What if I turned this chatbot into an AI support assistant? If I could train it to know everything about my business, it could answer users' questions and help them with their problems around the clock. It wouldn't need breaks. It wouldn't need sleep. It would always be calm under pressure, and it wouldn't even ask for pay. I got to work. And I spent the next 2 weeks grinding, trying to solve this problem once and for all. I realized that there would still be situations where users needed to get in contact with our team, so I built a ticketing system directly into Notion, which we were already using for project management. I added the chatbot, the ticketing system, and I pushed to production. And the results were absolutely mind-blowing. Churn went down, revenue stabilized, customer satisfaction went up. Users were happy, at least in most cases. We were still receiving tickets and emails, but the need for human support was reduced by almost 90% compared to before. Absolutely mind-blowing. And at this point, I was not in doubt. I had to turn this into a SaaS. I am so excited to present 8base. An AI-powered support ecosystem built to give your users an outstanding customer experience on autopilot. You can create a chatbot in minutes and start training it on your own data right away. Add your landing page, your blog posts, Medium articles, or any other public website. Add any public YouTube videos, upload documents such as PDF, and create a custom knowledge base as an FAQ using 8base Rich Editor. Then add the chatbot to your website or app and have it answer all your users' questions. Of course, from the 8base dashboard, you can monitor all conversations your users are having and uncover knowledge gaps in the replies your chatbot is giving. If you notice it's answering incorrectly, it's easy to exclude a specific piece of knowledge, and by using the FAQ, you can always create a new answer that better addresses the exact question. This is perfect for customer support, but it also works really well if you're a creator or a public person and you want an AI version of yourself that your audience can interact with. In fact, I have an AI version of myself on my website, ready to answer questions about SaaS. I mentioned before that we built a ticketing system into Notion. It worked well, but it was very homemade and quite hard to use. So instead, we recreated the perfect AI-powered ticketing system in 8base. You can create a custom ticket form using our no-code form builder and easily embed it into your app. This allows your users to create tickets which will appear in your 8base dashboard. From here, you can communicate with the user, handle their issues, and make sure they get a smooth experience. The AI behind this ticket system uses your training data too, but it also learns from every ticket you resolve and uses this to make smart suggestions when a new ticket comes in. This will help you and your tech support team resolve issues 10 times faster. With 8base, you can stop spending unnecessary time on customer support. Are you a developer? That's awesome, because we have made everything highly customizable and developer friendly. You can take full control over the 8base elements and integrate them into your app in countless different ways. Everything is built using web components, so it doesn't care which UI framework you're using, and it doesn't pollute your site with heavy iframes. You can set up webhooks to notify other parts of your system when tickets are updated, new comments are created, and much more. And if you're not a developer, don't worry, because you can set up all chatbots and ticket forms in a no-code fashion too. And we offer a hosted ticket page where your users can access all their open tickets. We're already working on integrations with a lot of third-party tools, and we're gonna have email support, announcements, feature requests, and a public API for teams that really want full control. And here's the deal. This tool has already been so valuable to us that I really just want to share it with you. Which is why you can get started with 8base completely for free. We have a free plan, no trial, you don't need to add a credit card, you can literally just sign up and start using it. But you probably know that offering this kind of AI tool at scale isn't exactly cheap, so on our free plan you will be limited to 50 messages per month. However, if you bring your own API key from OpenAI, we're gonna remove this limit entirely. You can use 8base for free with unlimited messages if you bring your own API key. Check the link in the description below and sign up for an 8base account today. Are you still here? Thank you for listening to my story. If you're a SaaS founder with any level of commercial success, big or small, I'm sure you've had a similar experience with customer support. If you're using Crisp Chat or Intercom on your website right now and you're struggling to keep up with replies, here's the best advice I can give you. Remove it. Studies show that having a live chat and not being able to deliver a response within 5 minutes is a worse customer experience than not having a live chat at all. So remove it and give 8base a try instead. Let me know what you think of our new project in the comments below. I will see you soon for another video.